guys, welcome back to another Disney video. You guessed it, the audio cut out here as well. But anyways, this is our first rest day and we're going to head to Chef Mickey's for breakfast at the Contemporary Resort. And we'll also go to the Grand Floridian to see the gingerbread house and head over to the water park. So if you want to see all of that, definitely keep on watching this video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan and Nathan. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay!
Thank you.
Going into Blizzard Beach in the pouring rain. Guys, it's much later now. As you saw, we went to Chef Mickey's for breakfast. We took the monorail over to see the gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian, and then we went over to the water park. It was raining on and off. We did a lot of the rides at the water park, and then we had some food there and popped back to the resort. We got back to the resort around 3:34 probably. I just got in the shower and washed my hair, and I just got my clothes and stuff ready for tomorrow. We have a reservation at Tarralina at 7 p.m. So we're gonna meet in the hotel lobby at 6. It's good to give yourself an hour for transportation. Depending on the time and the weather and everything, it might take an hour to get somewhere. It definitely won't take us an hour to get to Disney Springs, but we're gonna hop on the bus to Disney Springs. So we might do a little shopping, have our reservation, and then after our reservation, we'll probably head back to the resort. Wearing this black dress with my denim coat over it because it's not the warmest right now. My Minnie Mouse bag, I didn't zip it up, and I'm wearing sandals. One pair of my shoes are still pretty wet, I think. No, actually, those ones are dry. But Seamus ran this morning and it's rained, so his shoes are up here drying in the vent. So we're gonna get ready and head up to the lobby. We might check out the arcade before we get on the bus for Disney Springs. After checking out a few stores, we headed to our dinner reservation at Tarralina, which is an Italian restaurant in Disney Springs. I ended up getting the pasta dish. It was really, really good, but then my camera died, so I don't have any videos or anything of that. After dinner, we were all pretty tired out. We saw a few more shops, and then we headed back to Pop Century to get ready for another park day tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. And stay tuned for next week for an Animal Kingdom day.